Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. Recently, there has been reports that Russia-Ukraine ongoing conflict could cripple most of the Indian Navy warships, as Navy heavily rely on Ukraine's Zorya Mashproekt engine to power most of its warship. The Zorya Research and Development Center is very close to a military airbase which is under the conflict zone. In fact, many pictures and videos has surfaced on social media of bombing close to Zorya Research and Development Center, which has raised concern for Indian Navy. Close to 34 warships of Indian Navy use the gas turbines developed by Ukraine's Zorya Mashproekt as their primary source of propulsion. These ships include Veer class missile corvettes, surviving Rajput class destroyers, Delhi class destroyers, Talwar Class frigates, and newly commissioned Visakhapatnam class destroyers. Four more frigates of Russian design, which is under construction at shipyards in Russia and Goa, also uses engines from Zorya facility. To power all these warships, Indian Navy needs more than 130 marine gas turbine engines and lot of spare parts and turbines as a backup. Besides, Navy is also going to face problem in overhauling and regular maintenance of these engines. Usually, a gas turbine engine is overhauled after running close to 30,000 hours. The Zorya factory was hit on 13th of March and we could see smoke emanating from the factory along with some structural damages. As per the latest report from Economic Times, the former Naval Chief Admiral Arun Prakash has raised the concerns. Now, as per the latest inquiry made by Defense Ministry, the factory has survived Russian bombing with its critical infrastructure intact. The Zorya Mashproekt factory has been functional and capable of resuming the work in future when the situation improves. This is a big relief for Indian Navy, which is heavily relying on the Ukrainian engine for its warships. Indian Navy is also reported to have started working on the contingency plan to avoid the single vendor situation, especially for the critical equipments. The one option which is being explored is getting the gas turbine manufacturing plant set up in India itself. The financial viability for the same is also undergoing. BHEL and Zorya Mashproekt had already signed an agreement for setting up the overhauling and maintenance of engines in India, which is at present a very challenging process. India needs to send turbine engine back to Ukraine for the maintenance. The cooperation agreement between both the companies was signed in New Delhi on 16th November 2021. The agreement aimed to cooperate for establishing the local manufacture of marine GTs and RGs for requirement of the Indian Navy. Additionally, the cooperation agreement aims for BHEL and Zorya Mashproekt to support Indian Navy in maintenance as well as repair of marine GTs and RGs. In the lights of the ongoing conflict between Russia and Ukraine, the future of this agreement is also grey and we are not sure of what is going to happen. It's also been reported that European gas turbine manufacturers are also offering their product as an alternative to Ukrainian engine, though it would be a complex process and may even require design changes. The only European engine that I can think of is Rolls-Royce MT-30 engines. It is one of the latest marine engines of Rolls-Royce which will be used in future vessels, aircraft carriers, frigates and destroyers. The MT-30 is world's most power-dense, best-in-class naval gas turbine currently in service with various naval programs worldwide across 7 different types of ships. On May 2021, HL has signed an MOU with UK's Rolls-Royce for MT-30 engines. Under this MOU, HAL will provide packaging support, marketing and service and support for MT-30 engines. Now, as we have discussed on multiple occasions, the Kaveri engine's core is quite stable. DRDO has used the core of Kaveri to generate power up to 12 megawatt, which may not be sufficient to power bigger warship, but can power small vessels in the class with a displacement up to 2500 tons. However, these engines have failed in the trials conducted by Navy to maintain the power output over longer distances and achieve the required endurance. It won't be an easy path to mature the Kaveri marine engine and could be a long way to go and may even require help from foreign OEMs, but this is now a much required strategic approach to achieve this self-sufficiency in the defense. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We'll be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.